What's good, everybody? So, is your boy David again, and I'm back with another video today. So, may nakita ako sa recommended videos ko. Maya Chanko versus Raven Hayes kahapon, Sabado. So, I'm very curious. Hindi ko nga binasa yung comments. I did not read any of the comments kasi I don't want to spoil myself na hindi ko pa napapanood yung battle nila, no? Versus to eh. So, it's like, the voice siguro na battle rounds, ganun yung concept siguro nito. So, if you guys are new here, don't forget to subscribe. And you can also follow me on my Facebook, on TikTok, and on Instagram. Okay? So, with no further ado, let's jump right into the video. I'm very excited. OMG. Two of the top tier na performers, not just singers or vocalists, but performers. Okay? So, ito, talagang stand out tong dalawang to eh. But, di ko muna sasabihin yung mga bias natin, but we'll just react and give comments or reaction directly sa kanilang performance na ipapakita sa video na to. Okay? So, let's jump right in. Let's go. So, mauna si Raven pala. Okay? Coming in out of the rain, di ba? Napapatawa na ako sa galing ni Raven. What? What? Flawless. What? Okay. Okay, before tayo pumunta kay Maya, ito masasabi ko. Okay, don't get offended or something like that, ha? Pero I think may kamukha si Raven, si Darren Espanto. So baka ma-offend yung mga fans ni Darren, ha. Okay, don't get me wrong, but yeah, meron talaga siyang resemblance, lalo na pag mag-smile yung mata, everything about Raven's face, meron talagang resemblance kay Darren Espanto. I just want to put it out there. Anyway, very established, very dito, stable. Talaga yung stable yung vocals ni Raven. Okay. Most of her performances, hindi naman talaga siya gumagamit ng like chest voice, no. Most of her performances dwells on her mix and yung falsettos, 'di ba? And she mastered it already, like flawlessly. Yung vocal placements niya, yung mga register transitions na ginagawa niya, up and down, mixed to falsettos, like crazy high notes. Very, very good breath support. Talagang, man, stamina, agility, meron talaga si Raven. But there's a certain moment after the one money note na narinig ko, her vocals almost break, no? Parang may narinig na ako na strain, okay? And that doesn't happen a lot for Raven, no? Kasi alam naman natin sunod-sunod din yung performances nila. And I think na meron din siyang upcoming concert sa Viva Cafe ata yun. So anyway, so I think that may konting vocal strain na tayong naririnig. And kahit naman hindi ganun yung technique, no? Kahit hindi naman kargado ng falsetto, hindi naman kargado ng mix or something na ginagawa ni Raven, when you perform like day in, day out, like every day, no? I think that the vocal strain is inevitable. And that's part of being a performer, a contesera. And overall, she did a great job. And this song is not easy to sing, okay? It's a trademark of Sherin Rihes, no? Ibang klase to. It requires you vocal prowess. And for her to give it her own style with the variations of techniques, runs from high to low, low to high, up and down, man, it was crazy. Okay, punta tayo kay Jeremiah. This is hard to beat, but I know Jeremiah or Maya also has what it takes to at least be at par with Raven, no, in his own style. Okay, so let's go to Maya.
Sometimes in our lives, we all have pain, we all have sorrow.
Okay, strong start.
If we are wise, we know that there's always tomorrow. Lean on me when you're not strong, and I'll be your friend. I'll help you carry on. It won't be long till I'm gonna need
Kabado si Ogie, ah.
somebody to lean on me. Hey, swallow your pride. If I haven't, you need to borrow. No one can feel those of your needs that you won't let show. So just call on me, brother, when you need a hand. We all need somebody to lean on. I just might have a problem that you understand. We all need somebody to lean on. Don't you worry, don't you cry. Everything's gonna be alright. Call on me, brother. Yeah, we all need somebody to lean on. I just might have a problem, but you understand. We all need somebody to lean on. Hey, hey, and you, and you, and you, and you. Yeah, 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 yeah. If you need a friend,
Okay. 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 I have to be very honest. I love both of them. Okay, punta tayo dito kay Maya. Okay. Good thing. Okay, good thing. He started strong and finished it strong. Okay? Yun. That. Good thing talaga, no? It doesn't matter. Sometimes, when you... sometimes, meron ding, kahit hindi ka nag-strong start, at least you finish it strong. Okay? The finishing touch is really very crucial for a singer. But what he did, strong start, and ended it strong as well. Okay. But, to be very honest, kabadong-kabado din ako. Tapos, sabi ko pa, parang kabado si Sir Ogie. Tapos, and then, a few moments from that, after I said that one, ako din kinabahan. Okay, because Jeremiah was actually, to me, my personal and humble opinion, okay, it's one of his not so best performances. Okay, to be very honest. And I think na-incorporate naman niya yung style niya dito. He was able to really get the swag going on. But I think some performances, hindi pwedeng swag-swag lang. Okay? And I think that he's just all over the place, and there's a certain point of the performance na parang hindi ko alam saan siya pupunta. Okay? There's that parang indecisiveness, and I think he's also pressured, no? Raven yung katapat, eh. 'Di ba? Raven yung Raven Hayres, no? Iba talaga pag siguro kinabahan talaga siya. Okay? And iba. Siguro if yung performance ni Raven tinapat sa yung kinanta niyang pinakauna, Through the Fire, siguro yun. Talagang palag-palag yun. But this one, man, kahit you can never lie, no, the facial expression, no, Sir Ogie, Sir Louie, even Pops, no, and there were ad-libs na parang medyo off sa akin, no, na ginawa ni Maya. Me as an audience, as a musikero, that's how I react to it, and that's my honest commentary. Okay, I've been supporting Maya as well sa Majesty, no, sa Queendom and everything like that. But I just have to be very honest kasi this is a risk that he took, no, ang pagsali ulit sa contest, and I have to give my opinion rationally, and kung ano talaga yung nakita ko at narinig ko. And I'm not gonna lie, if I were to choose, and if I were the coach as well, no, kahit hindi naman mangyayari yun sa buhay ko, no, but I would give this round to Raven Hayres. Although, sabi ko nga kanina, meron ng konting vocal strain na narinig ako kay Raven, which does not normally happen to her, no? But, with these performances, na narinig at nakita ko, I would give it to Raven Harris. So, let me know what you think. But overall, it was a very entertaining performance coming from a Maya Chanko. So, let me know what you think about what I said. If nag-disagree kayo sa akin, then by all means, comment it down below and we can have a healthy discussion about it. Okay? So, that's it. Hope you guys enjoy the one. Peace out, everybody. And don't forget to subscribe if bago kayo dito. And you can follow me on Facebook and TikTok and on Instagram. Okay? Peace. Bye.